Are you ready to party? Well, make sure you have supplies on hand so you can throw that spontaneous barbecue this summer. Or maybe you just don't want to wash dishes when you have people over to the house. I'm Gina with WTI, and I recently helped on a going away party for a friend. I was able to use these 10-inch palm leaf plates from Meat Sheets, and they were perfect. We basically just had pizza and snacks, and these were very heavy duty. Even though they're made from plants, they hold up well to a lot of weight, and no grease soaked through to the bottom. I got the 10-inch round plates, but Neat Sheets has a lot of different sizes and designs that you can choose from, and that's one thing that I love about these being made from palm leaves. Each plate is so unique because they're not altered, there's no dyes, no tints, nothing like that. So you can feel confident putting food on these and eating off of them. Also, I can throw them right in here when I'm done. Make sure you get these the next time you need to feed people, and that's my point of view.